Today we are up here at Hans Reservoir. Met a new friend, yeah. Was showing him or telling him other places here in Batesville, Indiana, he could fish other reservoirs. And I'm telling you now, there are fish everywhere. We're spotting them out with our eyeballs. Let's just hope we can hook them. But if we can't, I'm enjoying this beautiful place. I would try to get some pictures, some video of other things, and we'll see what happens. We found this place back about a year ago. Didn't have a chance to fish it last year, but we are this year. And when we got up here, walked upon it, we seen all kinds of bass in the water, rock bass in the water, all kinds, even a catfish. But I ain't got a bite yet. I'm using dough ball and worms. Now right over yonder, behind me over there, if you remember where I made the video where the two reservoirs meet, that's the trail I was on. All right, I'm gonna get to fishing. And just like that, we're thinking about changing locations. Nothing wrong with this. It's just, I'm gonna go closer to home. Yeah, it's getting a little busy here, that's why. Today I want a little bit of relaxation, kind of by ourselves. You feel me? I feel me. All right, we'll probably see you at the next location. I'm up here at the farm pond. Actually, the right name for this would be Roman's Wildlife Refuge. The wife and I found this many years ago. It has some awesome hiking trails and the most prettiest pond you will ever see. So we're going to go ahead and hike on down the trail. We're here using the restroom before we go back, and I get some footage here and there of us going down the trail until we get to the pond. Let's hope there ain't many people here. And we'll talk about that when we get there, after we get set up. Oh, they are peoples here. A whole big family over yonder there. So I'm not exactly sure what that means. Let's just hope there's not many people at the picnic table area. So I may not be able to get much videos if there's a lot of children around. So I will know once I get up around this corner. Oh, nobody's here at the picnic area. Yep. The last two times we came, this is the spot we came. It's right here at the picnic area. Yeah. I'd love to show you guys the water, but there's people right over yonder there. There's a whole bunch of them up here on the other side. It's okay. They're watching us walk in. They're watching me talk to a camera as I do this. Oops, sorry, the camera's probably pointed down. The sad truth of it is, the farm pond, that's what I call it, since they cut down all the shrubbery at the beginning of this year, or it might have been the end of last year, it opened it up, which means a lot of people fish here. It literally may be fished out. Yeah. We're gonna give it a shot, see what happens, and if we don't do any good, then maybe we'll try this place next year. Today is just a weekend, and we're just out here enjoying nature. And I won't be able to get any beauty because on the other side of the pond, there's peoples. So, pretty much, this is it. You enjoying yourself, honey?
Uh-huh.
I'm enjoying you. I'm enjoying you. Yeah, Angie's line broke, and she's got stuck in a finger with a hook. Then she got stuck in a finger with something else. So, yeah, she's not having a good day. Huh?
It's just telling me to sit back and read my book.
That's right. Yeah, sit back and read your book. Yeah, maybe that's what I should do too. All right. All right, guys. I'll let you know if we catch them or if we don't. Well, I can honestly say this pond, I do believe it may be fished out if there's such a thing. I said it best, man. We came out here, I think it was right after Stormy passed away. And it was in February, and that's when we noticed they trimmed all the things around it down. And I said then, a lot of people is gonna fish here, and they do. But you know what? Adventure is an adventure. A fishing venture is mainly for relaxation as well. But what I'm gonna do come vacation, I'm gonna evaluate the places I'm gonna go fishing this year. This place is still beautiful, hands down. Be a great place to come and do the hiking trails, have a picnic. But for fishing, I think it may be fished out. See, what I didn't say, last time we came fishing here, there was some guys here fishing, and they told us they caught a lot of the grass carp out of here. And the grass carp died. Yeah. So, I got a vacation coming up in about 2 weeks. Angie and I will go to different places, especially in Batesville. And we're gonna go back to Versailles, which is right now the best choice for fishing if you want to catch some fish. And we're gonna evaluate the places we're gonna go this year. If I have to stick to just one place, and that's Versailles, then so be it. But there's lots of other places, guys. I got 14 places I know I can go. So, we just have to see what happens. All right, we're gonna close the video out here. Thanks for watching.
Sorry, I can't do that.
That's my Apple Watch. It's going bananas. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you probably either the next day or the next couple days. Yeah, I may do a review on my next video or something. That's right. Catch you then, y'all. I'm gonna hike on out of here.